We would like to introduce you to the Defi Xpress defibrillator from Meditech. The accessories include ECG cable with 5 leads, ECG electrodes, power cable, cable for connection to the AED pads, paddles, AED pad, earthling cable, ECG paper. Let us introduce the device. The standard device has 3 functions: a manual defibrillator, an AED, and a monitor. This button is for the defibrillator, this button is for the printout, and the yellow button is for the alarm. These buttons and the rotary knob are used to change the settings. Now the lead is still off because we have not connected the ECG cable to the device. And we can use the knob to change the leads. Three or 5 leads. For more details, can check user manual. AED mode. Please connect the AED pads. We need to connect the AED pads to the port. This part, the socket, is connected to the dam. As we have not connected the electrodes to the patient, so the device gives voice prompt, check the electrodes. We switch off the device and switch to the defibrillator manual. Now we select 10 joules of energy. Press the charge button from panel or paddle. If you press the shock button from the panel or the paddle, the shock will be delivered. If you do not press the shock button within 30 seconds, the shock will be cancelled automatically. Make an internal discharge. And also, we have, as shown, the SONC button. Please remember that after pressing charge button, please do not touch the handles together or make them touch each other, because this is very dangerous and will damage the device because of the shock circuit. There are more optional functions can add the Defi Xpress defibrillator, such as non-invasive blood pressure, pulse oximeter, pacer, end-tidal carbon dioxide.